How to see old Google Maps Street View on phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you open Google Map application, log in with your account details. Once you do, you need to provide the permission of location. You can either search for any place whose old photo you want to view or click on the map. After that, click on the first picture. As you can see, this picture is 5 years old. Once you keep scrolling, you will see the date. In some pictures, you won't be able to see the date. For some places, you might not be able to see the pictures of old. It is because there might not be any. But that's it. That is how easily you can view the old street view on Google Map. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.